Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I'm just Christopher and bienvenidos to my YouTube channel. Now, before we get into today's video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video right here on this channel. Okay, so as you can already tell by the icon photo, we are going to be unboxing, reacting, and restyling this time Miss Korinne Siren silhouette. Now, I think I remember the name for this particular doll because, well, there's that viral thing happening called the Silhouette Challenge. So it's interesting that she was named Silhouette way before this even started. Thoughts. Anyways, so I will be unboxing her. I'm really excited about this Korinne because I don't have this face mold. And as a new collector to Integrity, it's exciting to get a new face sculpt mold that we've never had before. And by we, I mean the newer collectors. Obviously, you know, those that have been collecting for a few years have a great archive of who's who and where they are. But as new collectors, it brings me a lot of joy when we get to see a new sculpt that we haven't had available, especially when I feel like, you know, we see the same sculpts happening a little too often. And as a new collector, that's sad. But anyways, I digress. So, she over here, over here somewhere. Now, I ordered her from Sideshow. I think I've mentioned that I ordered from Sideshow before. So obviously, they ship in the shipper box. I'm not one that has a problem with that because I don't keep any of the boxes. A lot of the times I end up using the shipper boxes to ship to other people whenever I sell something. So, there's that on the shipper box. Put that there. Okay. I'm going to wrap the tissue paper. Thoughts. Or thought. Thought. Either way. Do we think we're getting a new FR/new face box for the new collector year? I only say that because I clearly unboxed this. And I remember before I started collecting, the boxes were black. And then the boxes got a makeover. I remember they were white with rose gold, and now they're white with silver. So I wonder what's gonna happen. I remember they used to have ties. I like the magnets better. And again, I digress. What is going on with this? That slightly brings me a lot of joy. Don't ask. Had a little itch. Okay. Let's compose ourselves. Let us think of beautiful, positive thoughts as we unbox this lovely doll that has come to us in such a beautiful form. You were with me? Did you feel it? Yeah? Okay. Oh, I'm like so excited. Oh, baby. Okay, before I show you the doll, she's gorgeous. I also want to say that I'm very, 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 very excited to finally have a story card. Is that what they're called? Are they called story cards? Correct me if I'm wrong. I've heard about them. I thought the idea was great. There goes that itch again. So I'm really excited that they were brought back for this Veronique and this Korinne. I really hope to see them soon with whatever's coming up next because, well, we just don't know. Let me read that before I show you the girl. I should totally do that, right? It's just so gorgeous. Like, okay. Let's get my reading voice on. Korinne, what are you doing here? Veronique Perrin. Ooh, look at that. You see, this is why I should never be a public speaker. Gasp as her blue eyes set on the mysterious Greek beauty. Oh, she a Greek beauty? Because in my mind, this doll is more like a Indian beauty. She's very Bollywood to me. Anyways, I digress. I thought they only let real working models work these shows. Ooh, the shade. Not girls who are paid by likes. Ooh. Immediately, the stylist and makeup artist of the W Cosmetics scattered as the two silhouette women face off. I think I just made up a bunch of words. I really should stop reading. I can't stop. It's been years since we've seen Korinne. Where has she been? After years of modeling and gracing magazine covers and runways all around the globe, she knew the morality of her character and evolved with the times to make money on the internet. Oh. So she an IG thought? Curious minds want to know. Trying to keep up with the younger generation, she turned to social media and tried her hand at becoming an influencer. Yeah, an IG thought. Although cash rolled in from a few endorsement deals like subscription boxes and various diet teas. Diet teas. It didn't quite live up to the euphoria that her modeling days did in the past. Well, duh, it ain't the same. Although she prided herself on her squeaky clean image, that she did have only one vice: fame. Most people do. And she made a promise that she will do whatever it takes to never lose a spotlight ever again. Ooh. She real sounded like an IG thought. Her vice is fame. She never wants to lose the spotlight. I'm gonna stop reading there. This card is really long, and as you could tell, I'm not a public speaker. Or should I say a reader? Yeah. Anyways, I think they're lovely. I'm so excited to finally have my first story card. I almost feel like I need to start finding them at home. I hope we get more of them because I'm gonna find it at home. Okay? Just saying. We're gonna place it right here for now. Now the moment you've really been waiting for. Well, I've just been distracting you with my annoying voice for so long. It's okay. You can say it. You want to see the Greek beauty, don't you? I know. You like it. Okay. That's all you're getting for now. Okay, now if you're new to my channel, I would like to tell you a few things. I like to unbox my girls off camera so you don't struggle with me while I'm unboxing them, because it could be a struggle sometimes. Also, when we come back, I will be showing her in all of her glorious beauty with all of her accessories as she was intended for us. And then right after that, I'm actually going to put Miss Fame Hungry to work a lot today. I want to try out the Meteor underwear from my previous video because I haven't tried that on anyone. I haven't tried that on anyone yet. I don't know what that would do. So I want to do that with her, and then I'm going to style her in an outfit that I've been holding for her, that I've been really dreaming about putting her in. So I'm really excited about that. So let's get to it. They may call her a Greek goddess, but to me, she's my Bollywood princess. Oh, how stunning. I love a good green eye, a light green eye. It's just gorgeous. Now, we've seen these earrings before. I love mega dramatic earrings, so I love to have them in another color. Hello, new pair of earrings. Also, guys, I am an evening gown sucker, and this is perfection. The color, the silhouette, the fabric, the beautiful, 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 beautiful hand beads. Look at them. Look at them. Stunning. Utterly speechless. It just, it looks like a wave in the ocean. It's just so gorgeous. I am in love. I do have plans to alter it. I mean, it's me. What else do you expect? Kyle will be doing those alterations. You will hopefully soon be seeing them. But here she is looking absolutely stunning in everything that she is meant to be in. Her hair is super soft. I don't think she has any actual product in her hair, believe it or not, which is great. It is a little frizzy in some parts. It is what it is. She did just get out of a box, so it's fine. But yeah, here she is as she was intended to be. That's right, focus on that beautiful bag. I love, love, love the color of this bag. Love the little detail of like the butterfly and the stone right above. Yes, angle that I'm giving you guys. Love it. I really love this girl. I love this girl. I love this look. She's doing everything for me. All right, so now we're going to see how the Meteor underwear fits her. Be right back. Guys, it is actually perfection. It fits like a glove. Like I don't have to take anything in. I'm pleasantly surprised. Yes, I decided to mix and match it just to kind of give you guys a little something different. She looks straight out of Savage Fenty. And what I love about this set, other than like the mesh panels, as I mentioned earlier, was, can we talk about the cut in the back? Can we talk about the cut in the back? Oh, yes, give it to me. Just stunning. Just utterly, just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So excited to see how well it fits on an FR body. As you already know, I plan on putting the Meteor Girls in an FR body, but I also feel like this gives me so much more styling possibilities now that it fits in an FR body and nothing else has to occur to it. Oh, she looks so good. Yes. Do it, Korinne. Do it, baby. And here we have Korinne, and will be her final look for this video. I borrowed this dress from Kyle because I don't particularly own it. But like I said earlier, she, to me, has been my Bollywood queen. So I just was dreaming of draping her in this beautiful, beautiful ensemble. I decided to keep her green jewelry because, well, it's just pretty. I also love the color green. Now, will it stay? Maybe not. I feel like I might have to bring in the gold and go heavy with it. But here she is, looking just regal, honestly. There's just very little else to say, but icon, stunning, gorgeous, beautiful, killing it. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but this ring on this finger is giving you a hint of a project I hope to work on soon that I've had in mind for quite some time. But yeah. Isn't she beauty? It really is. She lovely, but whatever. You get the drift. You get the drift. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into another video with me, just Christopher, right here on my channel. Now, if you didn't do this on top of the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell notification so you can get notified whenever there is a new video. Also, please make sure to share this video with all of your dolly friends and leave a comment. I love a good conversation. Mostly you can talk about me trying to read the story card like if I was a professional reader, and Lord knows that is not what he should be doing in life. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning into a new video with me. I hope we have something coming soon because as of right now, oh wait, I have pre-orders. I have one in March though. It should be soon enough. Okay, guys, see you then. Bye.